Hello everyone, it's Saturday today and what a nice weather we have. We are going to spend our day going to Cabane Sucre, or in English called Sugar Shack. We are here in the province of Quebec, the largest province by area in Canada and the only province where French is their official language. Did you know that here in Quebec, 90% of Canada's maple syrup is produced and 72% of all maple syrup in the world is produced? We are here in saint-jean-sur-richelieu and it's a less than an hour drive away from Montreal. Okay, so 40 gallons of sap makes 1 gallon of syrup, and now we are entering the Érablière Charbonneau, where we will have our brunch. They serve an all-you-can meal for $41 plus tax. Yup, expensive, so we have to eat with our pockets content. There's not much videos I can show you so that I can focus on what I can fill in with my stomach. Pea soup, bread and butter, blah blah blah. That's just too much. And we're going out to have our maple taffy on snow, or also called the bonbon à la neige. And well, basically it's just maple syrup and the snow, and you just have to roll it, and there you go, there's your lollipop. Well, thank you for this adventure. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.